Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And today we're going to put out a cautionary tale, because sometimes as cruise passengers, you could have an idea in your head. You could have a plan in your head, something you think is a really good idea that is just going to make your day, make your moment. But you know, if you don't check the local rules, regulations, and laws of the country you are visiting, your good idea, your great day could turn out to be a very, very bad day. And that is exactly what happened to this cruise couple. So on a European cruise ship docks in Marseille, a couple gets off of the cruise ship. Now the man, he has a plan in his head to propose to his girlfriend. Today is the day he's going to ask her, "Will you marry me?" They head up to the Notre Dame de la Garde Basilica. This is where he plans to do his proposal. Now, he wants to capture this moment, so to do that, he launches his drone. He's going to have his drone above, videoing his proposal there in front of the basilica. It's going to be the perfect romantic moment, memories created for a lifetime. So one would think, except he did not check French law for the use of drones. So he gets down on one knee, his drone is flying overhead, and before she could even answer, the French police intervened. The couple were taken into custody, taken over to the police station, and while they were in custody, their cruise ship, well, it departed without them. So the proposal was interrupted. Now they are arrested, and their cruise ship has gone on to the next cruise port without them, and they have been left in Marseille. Now, when it comes to drones, there are some very stringent French laws. You can't fly them over populated areas. You can't fly them over restricted areas. Then they also come with some very severe penalties. You can spend up to 1 year in prison, up to 45,000 euros, and have your drone confiscated. Now, this is meant to be a cautionary tale, because had they simply not done a little research, done a little checking to say, hey, I have this drone, I am going to these following cruise ports, I should check ahead of time to see what the rules are. What are the regulations? Am I even allowed to use it in the places that we are going to visit? Because now, instead of a marriage proposal memory there in front of the Basilica in Marseille, instead, their marriage proposal is going to be remembered as, hey, we got arrested for not following the law. We weren't able to rejoin our cruise ship. And I think this is a good example of what can happen if you don't know before you go. So again, if you are heading to a cruise port and you are not familiar with it, you don't know the laws, you don't know the regulations, you don't know what could be different there than where you live, look, just do a little research, just do a little checking so that your adventure in a cruise port doesn't end up being an adventure in that country's jail. And that's going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.